Hey guys, today I'm gonna be meal prepping 3 days worth of food. I am so excited because this means that I will be eating healthy because I'm forced to. So let me show you what I got so far. So I'm cooking this quinoa. I have water on the stove waiting for it to boil. And if you look down, I have these ingredients. So I'm just kind of cooking with a bunch of random stuff. And yeah, so I'm excited. You know, when I'm at work, sometimes I get busy and I'm hungry. If I don't have food right there with me, there's no telling what I'm gonna do. Like I could go to Taco Cabana, Taco Bell, like pretty much any place that's near me. I will go there and I will eat. Anyways, so I am really excited about this meal. This is definitely not the first time I have ever cooked it. This is the hardest part. Like, look at this. There are all of these seeds inside and they don't want to come out. Like, what the actual crap? Seeds everywhere. There are seeds everywhere. So, almost got all the seeds off. This is like the worst part of all of this. Getting the seeds out. Okay, I think I'm good. It's all over the knife. It looks great, looks great. Okay, this is what we got. I think that that is plenty of food. I'm gonna go put these back. I'm gonna take this olive oil, spray it. Take this salmon rub. Looks perfect. I just thought about something. One thing that I really want that I didn't have on there is onion. I kind of want some onion. Don't want that. Great. All right, this is actually perfect timing. So this is what it looks like. Water's at a boil, so I can put the quinoa in. But for now, this is going in the oven. I'm not a professional chef, so I'm gonna shoot for 25 minutes. Okay, now put the quinoa in. Okay, so now we just have to wait. I'm gonna go ahead and start finishing up everything so everything will be ready to go. Okay, this is good enough. This is for later. I'm thinking that if I were to split that up into 3 like pieces, I think I just would want some more. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. Okay, so the next step is I'm going to flavor the quinoa by using some ginger and garlic paste. So this is from the Indian store, and I'm gonna use that. So I'm just gonna do like a small spoonful like that. Okay. Like this. I'm just gonna stir it in a little bit. I think I need to add some more water. Okay, so while all this stuff is cooking, I'm actually gonna unload the dishwasher and do the dishes because I don't believe in wasting any time. Don't have a lot of time. So that's what I'm gonna do. And you're gonna watch me. I'm just kidding, you're not gonna watch me. I'm gonna turn this off. Okay, so food's ready. We're gonna go ahead and prepare it. Need a lunch for tomorrow. This is it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so now I have lunch for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And it was super easy to make. So I'm gonna go put this in the fridge and I'm set for the week. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna go put this in the fridge. Bye.